Morning everyone, it's Fiona here with another live. So this is day 8 of lockdown, and I'm trying to communicate with you and hopefully keep your spirits up if you're feeling a bit lonely or whatever. So today I promised to explain how to use the wallets that I demonstrated yesterday, the choice of wallets that I offer when I do a colour analysis for people. So I have here a winter, the type of wallet that fans out, and you can see the colours 3 at a time. Okay, and I'm going to demonstrate with an autumn, what I call a trifold, as I showed yesterday. So first of all, I say to people, can you see that the colours in the wallets are different? As in, this wallet is different to this wallet. I hope you can see that. Oh, hi, Polly. Oh, thank you very much. Back my top. So, yes, if you can see that, hopefully. Right. So, obviously all my drapes would be, depending on what season you are. Now, so if you are an autumn like me, then if you have an autumn wallet like this, oh hi Julie, when you're shopping, whether that's in a charity shop or, oh morning to you too, in a charity shop or in any shop, you're purchasing something new to bring home for you to your wardrobe, and you know what your colours are, then if you have your wallet, and most people keep them to hand anyway, then what you need to do when you're deciding whether to buy that item or not is get your wallet out and see whether the items go together. So for example, we all know I'm an autumn, and this is my autumn wallet. Now I have something on that's cream and brown. Can you see that the cream and brown go with it? Yeah. Obviously I've not gone too colourful today, just cream and brown. Now, if this is how I used to dress, I'll just show you an item that my husband bought me, this lovely suit, and it was one of the last colours that I wore that was completely wrong for me, so I now use it for demonstration purposes. So I'll just get my jade green suit. So, I don't know how you can see that over the internet, but it's pretty jade green. Now, what happens if I put that up to my face? You probably can't see it, but it does age me a bit. It does alter the colouring, doesn't it? Anyway, so this is completely wrong for me. And once I started changing all my wardrobe, of course it wouldn't go with anything because it stood out like a sore thumb. But if I were to find the greens in the wallet, aha, there we have. Can you see that these items belong together? The wallet shows that that is a winter colour. Now, if I put my autumn wallet against it, you'll see what happens. Can you see that they just do not go together? They look like foreign bodies. The greens in the autumn wallet just do not fit with this green that is a winter. Hopefully you can see that. Now, so when you're putting items together, and your wardrobe does all go together, if I had kept this and wanted to carry on wearing this, then let's have a look at what would have happened if I'd put, say, my orange with it. Oh. Now the orange is actually quite bright, so it doesn't look a disaster, but I do know that the orange is autumn and we know the green is winter in that case, so it doesn't look the best. However, you can make some things work. So here I have another green, which is also an autumn green, but that doesn't look so bad together. It's not quite right, but it certainly doesn't look as bad. I don't know what you think of that. Okay, now if I were to put this jacket over this blue dress, which is also a winter colour, as a lot of people know, my favourite colours together are blue and green. Now this is the blue and green that belongs together, and I think that looks absolutely brilliant. I don't know what you think, but yeah, that's a nice combination there. So can you see how that is better than the other two colours? But you can make some things work to prolong their life if they're not quite right for you once you start transitioning your wardrobe, once you know these things. So I just wanted to demonstrate that, and I hope that that has shown you how to use the wallet. So here we have, just to show you in real clothing, the difference in the greens, how I now do the bottom one. This one is a softer green for an autumn. Now, if I put this orange with it, hopefully you can see that that's a much better match. Okay, so, and equally, if I were to put that other green with it, let's just put that back. That now looks a lot better together. Okay, so if I were deciding whether to purchase this or not, which incidentally I brought back from America, so there's my wallet. Can you see that it does belong together? Not sure what the lighting's like for you, but it does work with that wallet. Now, would it work with the winter wallet? Let's just see, get those greens out again. And can you see that there's something odd going on there together? Hopefully you can see that. Oh, hello Samantha. So that's today's demonstration about how to use the wallet. Please don't do what I did when I had my colour analysis. And I went home with my wallet all excited, and if something in the wardrobe didn't exactly match one of these specific 30 colours, it got ditched. This is supposed to be a representative sample of a quarter of the colours in the world that you are likely to be able to wear. So we couldn't make up a swatch of thousands and thousands of colours, so this is just a representative sample. So you have to put the wallet against something and say, do they go together or do they look odd together? If they look odd together, chances are they're wrong. If they kind of look in tune, even though they might not exactly match something, then chances are they could be right. Hi Thelma. So I hope that's helped. If you have a wallet, if you don't have a wallet, I do sell them separately, and as I've said yesterday, you can have a choice of wallet. So we have a mini one, we have the trifold, and we have these, don't know what you call them really, where they fan out, the fan type wallet. So all of them are the same price, whichever one you want. And don't forget, ladies, if anyone has had some colour analysis with Fiona, and I have given you one of these type of wallets with that, if it's seen its best and you want another one to replace it, then I do provide replacements free of charge. Although, as I said yesterday, the place where I get them from aren't currently able to mail out. So if I've got it right now, you can have it, but otherwise we might have to wait. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to be doing something else about face shapes and glasses. So do tune in for your coffee with me at 11 o'clock tomorrow in Where the Magic Happens, and I look forward to seeing you then. Take care, everyone.